Hindi mo na siya kumutol para diskusyon ng hangin. Jesus for clothing is on our bed. Next. Choose for skin is non-absorbable or absorbable. Next. Guidelines and suggestions. Ensure.
Hello, man.
Good job, guys.
Ayaw, dito ko lang sa tuwan na nasa paraan ng video.
Number 1 is
Flower.
number 1. Structuring. Number 1 is structuring. Sulat. Sulat position. Mula niya letter A, conscious, letter B, unconscious. Number 1 is position. Mula niya letter A, conscious, letter B, unconscious. Okay, number 1, position, conscious, answer, semi-power. Concentration, structuring, answer, semi-power. Okay, number 2, unconscious, answer, side lying, preferably left side. Side lying. Next, number 2, hyper-oxygenate before suctioning. Hyper-oxygenate before suctioning. Next, number 3, depth of suctioning. Number 3, depth of suctioning. Depth. So, tayo letter A. Tip of the nose to the tip of earlobe. Tip of the nose to the tip of earlobe. Letter B, 3 to 5 inches. Number 3, letter C, 3 to 5 inches. Next, number 4, concept, duration. Duration of suctioning, butang. 10 to 15 seconds during tube withdrawal. 10 to 15 seconds during tube withdrawal. Bawal din pagsunod ng suction ka. Bawal. Next, number 5. Gap between suctioning. Gap between each suction, or suctioning. Gap between suctioning or each suctioning. Answer, 20 to 30 seconds. Example, mag-suction ka na ron, ayaw sundi tayo. Okay? Paminaw sa din ang breath. Okay?